We need to simplify the given logarithmic expression. To begin with, we will use the property that a times log of b, that's equivalent to log of b raised to the power of a. So that means for our first term, we have half log of 9. So we'll take half and raise it as the exponent of 9. So we have 9 raised to the power of half. Similarly, for the second term, we have log of 6 squared. And for the third term, we have log of 81 raised to the power of 1/4. Right. What is 9? The 9 is 3 squared. So we have 3 squared raised to the power of half plus log of 6 squared. So 6 is 2 times 3, the factors of 6. So we have 2 times 3 raised to the power of 2 plus log of 81. So 81 raised to the power of 1 over 6. So we have 81. So that's 3 raised to the power of 4. So 3 raised to the power of 4 whole raised to the power of 1/4. So this will be log of 3. So we have 3 squared raised to the power of half. So that means our exponents will get multiplied. Plus log of 2 squared times 3 squared plus log of 3 raised to the power of 4 times 1 over 4. So here 2 times half, that will be 1. 4 times 1 over 4, so that will be 1. So we have log of 3 plus log of 2 squared times 3 squared plus log of 3. Now we'll use the property log of a plus log of b, that's equals to log of a times b. Now if we have plus log of c, then it will be log of the product between a, b and c. So we have 3 logarithms, so this will give us log of 3 times 2 squared times 3 squared times 3, or simply log of 3 raised to the power of, so here 1, 2, 3. So 2, 3, 4, 3 raised to the power of 4 times 2 squared. So this is the final value of our logarithmic expression.